how to add birthdays on Apple Calendar. If you're struggling with the same problem, don't worry. We have tips and tricks on how you can fix it. Firstly, go on your phone and tap on the contact that you want to add your birthday on. Tap on it and scroll down until you find the option called Add Birthday. In this way, you can easily set your friend's birthday. Now you can go on your Apple Calendar by searching it on your search box and see if it is set. As you can see, it is now already set properly. Now to check if your calendar is set or not, you can go and tap on the calendar which is on the bottom middle of your screen. As you can see, my birthday is now set and I can now see it. In this way, you can easily add birthdays on Apple Calendar, which will remind you constantly if your birthday is coming or your friend's birthday is coming near. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.